welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a farmhouse decorate with me, hosted by Heidi Sombel and co-hosted by Lindsay Domer from Domer Homes. We are decorating a space, a living space in a farmhouse style. Now I have chosen to decorate my family room. This is where my family spends all of our time in together. It is the most used room besides the kitchen. And I have already decorated my Christmas tree and my mantle. Now, however, I want to spruce up a mantle a little bit, so I will be adding some stuff to it. And then I have a 3-tier tray that I want to decorate as well, so I will be sharing that. I have some tidying up to do, and I will show you that as well. About my style, it is a farmhouse, but it's not your modern farmhouse. It's more of a traditional farmhouse, more of the country colors. Like I said, it's more of a traditional farmhouse style. I do use some golds in it, and I know that it's not typically that, but I do feel it's more of a country than a more modern, or more of a country traditional than a country modern style. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. There will be also a playlist, and Lindsay's and Heidi's channels will be linked down below, so make sure you check them out. There's going to be so much inspiration for you. So like I said, the links are going to be down below, and so let's get started. So here's my family room. I have a bunch of toys here that I keep for daycare, and I was doing this while the kids were napping, so I had to put away some of those toys. And then I always have blankets and pillows all thrown around. I had brought up also all the supplies for the garland that I'm going to be adding to the garland, as well as my 3-tier tray. So as you can see, my garland is pretty full. I do have just a single berry garland on there. This garland had come from Costco many years ago, and then I added just a berry garland. And then I had picked up this garland from Dollarama that had pine cones and a couple extra berries and just different type of branches on it. So I added that to it. I think it gave it a little bit more character. And then I added some wood sticks and some white wood sticks just to lighten it up a little bit. I wanted the garland to match my wreath a little bit more. Once I was done with my garland, I moved on to my 3-tier tray, and I'm using most of my supplies have come from a Dollarama or Dollar Tree. I am using the little houses from Dollar Tree that I have spray painted white. The lamb's ears came from Hobby Lobby. The berries and the bottle brush trees came from Dollarama. The little red fire truck came from HomeSense, and all the rest of the greenery. So here is that garland that I put on to add it to my garland. I'm adding it at the back here. So yeah, the rest of the stuff had come from the dollar store. This is a Christmas sign that came from Dollar Tree that I painted red with red chalk paint. I just love adding 3-tier or 2-tier trays to my decor. I just think they're fun to decorate, sometimes frustrating, but most of the time fun to decorate and a great addition to any decor. And you can style them really any way you want to. There's no right or wrong way of doing it, in my opinion. So once I was finished, I just put it where I wanted it to go, and I tidied up the rest of the room. So here it is, all finished. Like I said, this is a room that we all spend a lot of time in the evenings, and my husband hates the pillows, so he always throws them off. Here is my Christmas tree. I have a video on how I decorated that Christmas tree, and here is the garland. I will probably be changing this garland out next year because I think I've just had enough. Probably not getting rid of it, just changing it out a little bit more. And I love the way the 3-tier tray turned out. I think it looks really, I think it's the most farmhouse, modern farmhouse you will get in this room. But I think with the golds and the reds, it ties in with the rest of the room. And I love this holiday pillow. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. For those of you that are returning, thank you so much. I truly am grateful to have you here. And I also like to thank Heidi and Lindsay for hosting this challenge. I love participating in your challenges. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
And bring it out here, the tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding, for we all like figgy pudding, for we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here, the